What's up, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eniola. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we're doing a little bit of question and answer because I got you guys to ask me questions on my Instagram story and on my community post, and you guys asked me quite a ton, so I'm gonna be answering all of them today. I don't want my channel to just be about every single time I come up with like tutorial this on skincare, on that. Let's kind of like just do that today. And I'm going to start first with this question. Please, I want you to help me with a body lotion for extremely dry skin. Thank you in advance. First of all, I have a video on dry skin on my YouTube channel. But the thing you need to know, and I feel like the reason why I have been able to really like understand skincare is because I look for the hack. And I will explain to you. So when somebody tells you that they have dry skin, what they are trying to tell you is that their skin can't keep moisture for a long period of time or for a short period of time. So take for example, if you use body lotion, if your skin is dry, after 2 to 3 hours, the moisture has escaped. That's because your skin does not have that ability to trap enough moisture on its own. It might be genetic, it might just be a normal thing, it might be something that has to do with your hormones. It can be a lot of things you get, but that is the hack. That means we want to trap more moisture on your skin, and we have to do that by using a lot of products that add moisture to your skin, a lot of ingredients that help your skin to lock in more moisture, and then we also have to make sure that we are using something to seal up the moisture that we have added. So that is the hack if you have dry skin. So first of all, you need to look out for ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera, rose water, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, cocoa butter. Oils are very, very good. Anything that seals up moisture and anything that adds moisture to your skin. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. So for lotion, you have the Jergens, there's the Jergens Shea butter and the honey. You can use that one. There's the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant, the one that they just released. This cocoa butter one, very, very nice. There's the Nivea cocoa butter one, very, very nice. All right, the second question is this from Real Abby on TikTok. I want to stop bleaching my skin and I still want to have a very bright and glowing skin. What do I do? Alright, so you have to go cold turkey. There's no such thing as I'm going to keep the bleaching soap and use the brightening cream. No. You're going cold turkey, meaning you're not doing anything bleaching at all. Now, when you stop that, the mistake a lot of people make when they bleach their skin and they go cold turkey is that they forget that the skin is going to go into what? Remission, withdrawal. Your skin is going to go through something called withdrawal, meaning it is going to stumble quite a bit with things like sunburn. You will have that pimply sensation, you will have that itching sensation, you have like side effects from not using the bleaching product. You might have uneven skin tone from not using the bleaching product. So what you want to do in order to stop that from happening is that you will add back hydration to your skin. You will start using hydrating soaps like all these Dove pre-cleanse bars that I've talked about on my channel. You will use body lotions that are very, very moisturizing and hydrating, that does not have any brightening ingredients in it. You will lavish your skin with a lot of good protein, collagen if infused in the lotion, and a lot of moisture inside the body lotion or inside the soap you use or inside the body polish that you use. You want to go full moisture reloaded. And then you're also going to use a body blending oil. If you go cold turkey with bleaching and you want to repair your skin and you want to still maintain your complexion, a body blending oil is going to ensure that your skin stays even. Please, I like your skin. Thank you, girl. And this one is from Mandy on TikTok. Please, I like your skin. Can you tell me what lotion you use? I'm interested. Please don't hide what you use from me. I beg you in the name of God. I want to get exactly your skin tone. First of all, your skin tone is a product of your genetics. No matter how much you bleach your skin, you will never have perfectly white or perfectly fair skin. I'm just telling you. So your skin tone is a mixture of your genetics. But the one that you can do is how even and how toned and how do I put this? How blended your skin looks. You can absolutely fix that, and that is what I'm about to talk about to Mandy. All right, so for my own skincare regimen, I'm currently on the Advanced Pinnacles Retinol Cream. I really like it because I'm all about youthfulness, I'm all about anti-aging, I'm all about everything to protect my skin's protein, layer and my moisture barrier. I'm not doing anything to compromise on that. And then I'm currently using one of the Dove Pre-Cleanse bars. I've talked about it in the past. I use Dove Pre-Cleanse bar. I use Dove body wash. I don't have anything significantly brightening in my skincare routine except for my face care routine now. And then for body oil, I'm currently using the Palmer's, is it cocoa butter now? Palmer's cocoa butter body oil, yeah. And I also use the Pears body oil. So that is my skincare routine. Now let's go to Instagram. You guys, I really like taking questions from Instagram because you guys always ask me like thought-provoking personal questions that allows me to show some sides to myself and all of that. Anyways, this one says, what do you think about age difference in relationships? Is it the one where the man is older or the woman is older? Conventionally, it is okay if the man is older than the woman. But some people also go ahead and date women who are like 4 or 5 years older than they are. I really think it's about maturity. It's about the level of courage, charisma, and the ability to make quality life decisions that matters. So whether you're a woman that is older, if for example you are currently 38 and you're marrying a guy that is 30, for example, that's an 8-year difference from the woman's perspective. Now, the reason why that kind of woman will want to settle for that kind of a man is because conventionally she's thinking that they are on the same mental wavelength when it comes to how they make decisions, when it comes to how they carry themselves in the relationship. They understand things like commitment, they understand things like maturity, they understand things like emotional intelligence. Those are things that are not anchored on age. If you don't know it, you just don't know it. So if somebody is older than you can date a guy that is 35 and he still doesn't understand things like emotional intelligence or perception. It has nothing to do with age. And you can date a guy that is 25, you're a 30-year-old woman, and the guy already gets it because he has been exposed to making quality life decisions very, very early. You get, so really for me, it is not a good or bad situation. You get. This one says, what can I use to stop eczema? Eczema is a bacterial infection. It's not a skin reaction like acne. That means that you can use a topical off-the-counter product from a pharmacy to fix eczema. So you want to go for something that has cortisone or hydrocortisone inside it in a tube cream. I remember growing up, I used to have eczema around my nose area here and here, and my mom will often go to the pharmacy and just buy these two products. And now that I'm older, I asked her, I had a flare-up a while ago. It's been so long, about 3 years ago, and I asked her, what was that cream? She told me, I'm going to put it on this spring, because I can't remember right now. And it has hydrocortisone inside it. That is what kills that infection, that fungi in your skin, to stop it from flaring up and spreading on the surface of your skin, so it doesn't start to itch or give you that peppery sensation that peels on your skin. You don't want that. Another thing is you want to look for the trigger that is causing the eczema on your skin. So if your water is dirty, you want to start adding Dettol to your water, for example. Wash your towels regularly, change your beddings regularly, open up your bed and clean under your bed if you have things like maybe bed bugs or all these things that are causing the flare up on your skin. Everything is planned, girl. You want to keep your life anchored. You want to make sure that you are not constantly disorganized. Have it planned. I have days when I get my nails done, my hair done, when I do intensive body care routines. Have it planned. I have days when I go to the grocery market to buy food stuff for the house. I have it planned. I have days when I know I need to film compulsorily. I can't take this much break from my work and I need to show up. I have it planned. If you don't have a plan, you will fail. And you will always show up looking disorganized and messy. So have it planned. I know that every 4 months or every 6 months I have to retouch my hair. So since I didn't retouch my hair in January. I didn't. January, February, March, April. This is May. So May, I had to retouch my hair. Have it planned. I really think a man that wants to cheat will cheat. Whether he's ugly or beautiful to the eyes, or he looks like an angel, or he will cheat. So also, I don't want to put my relationship on social media because people are going to see my husband. They will send him a DM. If he entertains distraction on a normal day in real life, he's gonna cheat. It is not a function of what happens on social media or off social media, or if he's dazzling to look, if he's compelling to the eyes. It's not about that. A man with principles is gonna stick to his guns, whether real life or offline, whether he's beautiful or not beautiful. It does not have anything to do with his aesthetic. It's about principles and self-control, period. And if you are already insecure, you have been nurturing this insecurity, I would say deal with this first. Deal with the insecurity first before you join yourself to a guy, so that even if the guy is not cheating, you will not be projecting your insecurity of he's gonna cheat on me on the person. It is not fair. I can't believe this one is quiet. How can I manage working together with an ex? And this one is from Belinda. I have tried, but I often get emotional. Yeah, because you're not stoned, duh. That's somebody you used to be intimate with, you used to really like. It's hard, I have to be honest. And I was almost in a complicationship like that. I was seeing my husband, we're just dating that time. And then some guy from the past, some blast from the past just started working in my office, and I'm like, same school. We had like a thing, and now he's in close proximity with me. He even asked me out on a date, and I'm like, okay. And it falls back to what I used to say. It's about principles. You get, once you say no, it means no. It means no. If you have residue feelings, I would say deal with that. I won't say resign from your job. Don't resign, because this is your job. You get, you have to be stronger. You have to make sure that you take more stronger decisions with how you want your emotions to be won. You get, don't just wear your emotions on your sleeves. You get, you really want to go through the breakup, like go through it so you can get out of it quickly, so that when you see them, nothing gets triggered inside you. You get, you're gonna cry. You will cry. I'm gonna tell you that. You will cry, you will feel bad, but you're gonna come out at the other end feeling really happy. And when you see this person's picture, or when you see them on social media, you won't even feel anything. I'm telling you from experience. Oh, I like this question. It says, how do you become girly? Because I'm really trying to understand. And this person sounds like a student. Girl, you're so cute. And after this one, I'm gonna take one more and we'll call it a day. Okay, how do you become girly? First, you have to find the kind of girl that you are. Like, I see a lot of people copy quite a number of aesthetic on social media, and after that they are done with that. After that they are done with that. What kind of a person do you want to be in terms of being a woman? You get, how would you describe yourself as a woman? For me now, I'm all about being elegant. Everything I do has to have overall elegance to it. Like, I don't want to do anything that does not show that I'm elegant. You get, so in how I pack my hair, in how I speak, in how I act, in how I gesticulate, in how I even position myself on social media, it is all about elegance. Elegance means modesty and gracefulness in everything, from manners to how you treat people to how you comport yourself in public. That is the kind of person that I want to be. That is the kind of girl that I project myself to be. So for you also, what kind of person do you want to be? Because I can't just tell you start doing this. If the mindset is off, it won't work. You get. Now the last one for today is I want to find the one that is really, really nice. The last question for today is, hey, how are you doing? I want to start a skincare business in Abuja. Where can I find suppliers? Okay, I would say go on Google first. Google it, and then also search on Instagram. You'll be so shocked to find out that you can order products from Lagos in large quantities and they will deliver to you in Abuja. I have a friend that is into retailing. She sells quite a lot of beauty and aesthetically driven products, and she orders from AliExpress and they deliver down to Nigeria. Yes, they do. She had to figure out how to do things like drop shipping. What do they call that thing, Seth? It's not drop shipping, it's when you order the importation. That's it. She had to figure out how to import correctly in a way that she would not be losing her money to people who are posing to be vendors online. But if you're not ready to do that, go up, and check all these big skincare retailers on Instagram and see if they can get you to, if they can sell 3 quantities or 4 products each of any kind of products that you want to buy. You get, that is it. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you kind of like had like a sneak peek into my personality and into my views and opinions on certain things. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and of course I will see you in the very next one. Bye.